If your pet's water bowl is empty way faster than usual, this could be a serious health warning. Most pet parents think that drinking more water is always a good thing. But what if it's actually a sign your pet is sick? Today I'm going to tell you exactly when that extra thirst is totally normal, when it's a dangerous warning sign, and when you absolutely must see a vet immediately. Knowing the difference could save your pet's life. So let's get into it. First, let's talk about the serious stuff. Excessive thirst, or what vets call polydipsia, can be a major red flag for several underlying health issues. One of the biggest culprits is diabetes. For both cats and dogs, drinking way more water than usual is often one of the very first signs of the disease. The body is trying to flush out excess sugar through urine, which leads to dehydration and an intense urge to drink. Another common cause, especially in our older furry friends, is kidney disease. This is particularly prevalent in senior cats. When the kidneys aren't functioning properly, they can't concentrate urine effectively. This means your pet loses more water every time they pee, so they drink more to compensate. It's a vicious cycle that you need to get ahead of. Next up, urinary tract infections, or UTIs. If you've ever had one, you know how uncomfortable they are. Your pet might be drinking more because their body is instinctively trying to flush out the bacteria causing the infection. So, more trips to the water bowl could mean there's a painful problem brewing down below. And we can't forget about liver problems. The liver plays a huge role in regulating body functions, including hydration. When it's not working right, it can send confusing signals to the brain that lead to feelings of dehydration, even if your pet is drinking plenty of water. Now, before you panic, it's important to know that not every instance of increased thirst is a medical emergency. There are some perfectly normal reasons your pet might be drinking more. The most obvious one is hot weather. Just like us, pets need more water to stay cool and hydrated when the temperature rises. If you've recently switched your pet to a new dry food diet, they'll naturally need more water to help digest it, compared to a wet food diet. Heavy exercise is another normal reason. After a long walk, a game of fetch, or a session with the laser pointer, your pet will need to rehydrate. And finally, if your pet is pregnant or nursing, her body is working overtime to support her little ones, and that requires a significant increase in water intake. Even things like stress from recent travel or anxiety can temporarily make your pet thirsty. So, how do you know when to be concerned? The key is duration and other accompanying symptoms. If the increased thirst from heat, exercise, or a diet change lasts for more than a day or two, it's no longer considered normal. That's when you need to start paying closer attention. This brings us to the critical part, when to worry and see a vet immediately. These are the red flags you cannot ignore. If your pet seems to be drinking almost non-stop, like they can never quench their thirst, that's a major warning. If this is paired with peeing much more often, having accidents in the house, or you're changing the litter box constantly, that's another big sign. Look out for other symptoms too. Has your pet lost weight despite eating normally? Are they lethargic and have low energy, not wanting to play or go for walks? Have you noticed any vomiting, diarrhea, or unusually bad breath? If you see your pet's increased thirst combined with any of these signs, drinking non-stop, peeing too often, weight loss, low energy, or vomiting, you need to schedule a vet appointment as soon as possible. Don't wait. Early diagnosis and treatment are crucial for conditions like diabetes and kidney disease. Your pet can't use words to tell you when something is wrong, but their water bowl can. It's one of the most powerful, and often overlooked, tools you have for monitoring their health. So, pay attention to their habits. It could make all the difference. If you're now going to be monitoring your pet's water intake more closely, let me know by commenting check down below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more weekly pet health tips. Don't forget to share this with every pet parent you know. You might just help them spot a problem before it gets serious. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.